a simple program in Python to check whether the given two matrices are identical or not. So take two matrices A and B. So we have A and B, both are initialized. So we use the term list here. We use square brackets to put the data as a list format. Look at the simple condition. If A is equal to B, there are many advantages in Python when you compare with other programming languages like C, C++, and Java. A simple if statement A is equal to B. Each and every element of the list A is compared with B concerned the elements. If it is true, matrices are identical, otherwise matrices are not identical. If you want to write a program for this, we need to use for loops in C language. So A matrix is 4 rows and 4 columns. B matrix is also 4 rows and 4 columns. Even we can put the data in this pattern instead of matrix format. So I just made a changes to A. Even if you put it like this, it is nothing but 4 rows and 4 columns. I just removed one row from B matrix and now check it out. You get the message matrices are not identical. Now look at this. I just made a small change in the third row. Instead of 3, 3, 3, 3, I just made it 3, 3, 8, 3 and check it out. You get the message matrices are not identical.